up guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be looking at the Southwest Airlines flight, or Boeing 737 MAX 8, which is MAX 800, but it's the newest one that just came out in actual airports that they made. So let's get started. Here's the box. Southwest Airlines. There it is. If you want to read that, read that. Pause it if you want to read that, because I'm going on. Same thing. Okay, so that's the box. And let's get into the plane. So here's the Southwest logo. This is one of the new ones, not one of the normal Southwest ones that have Southwest across here and then Southwest on the winglets. But these winglets are new. They're like very like I don't know how to explain it. So their heart on the bottom. Designed for the things, cargo door, wheels, engines. There's a little, I don't know what that is. Wait a minute. It's American. Right there, you see that? The exhaust is silver. Let's test it over here on the aircraft carrier. See if the wheels move. Yep, the wheels move on this one. How much space does it take up? Not much. So this is my aircraft carrier that I keep to test my planes on. On one video I'll be doing one that will have all these planes on here, and I'll show you all my planes that I have that I'll do a review on, so stay tuned for that. And I have one more thing to say. There's Southwest.com. Fly for this airline. My dad works for it. Leave a like. Smash it. Boom. Don't smash it too hard. You might hurt it. And let's try to get up to 2 likes. I think that can happen. I'm just kidding. Let's go as many as we can. I'm not trying to pressure you guys for as much, but hit that like button, subscribe, and bye.